Hi YouTube, and hi my Twitter folks. This is me outside in winter of Chicago, February 2nd, 2011. And I'm being very stupid out here in all this snow. Like literally, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It is like so much snow out here. So much. But thank God all the schools are closed tomorrow. I'm acting like a news reporter. Out live in Chicago on the southwest side. Near Jeffrey. Southeast side, I'm sorry, on the southeast side. I'm on the phone getting word from my best friend Hill that the storm is getting worse, sir. That the storm is getting worse, sir. And look out here. Just look at it. Just look. It is like so much. It is so bad out here. It is so bad. I just shoveled and it's coming back down so quickly. My hands are getting frosted. My nephew was out here helping me shovel, but he ran in the house because he was too cold. There's literally no street. There is no. Look at the shovel. The shovel is being buried into the ground. Can you see it? You see the shovel? It's being buried into the ground. Being buried. There's literally no street whatsoever. Look at this. Look. There is no street. Like, oh my God. Like, oh, let me put my glove on. My hand getting cold. Ooh. Ooh. No, I fell in the snow. My glove. Hold on. I don't care about catching no cold. Like, I cannot believe this, but I am so happy there's no school. But this is like weird. Like, for real, this is weird. Look at this. 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 I shoveled it and it's coming back down so quickly. Look. Look, you can hardly see anything out here. Hardly anything. I'm probably the only civilization left on this planet. Well, I'm on the phone with my best friend, so he's still here. And my mom's in the house, so she's still here, but it is so cold. It is so cold and the wind is blowing so fiercely. Oh my God, my nose is running. Yes. Well, I just received word that the trucks, the snow plows are not out. There's nowhere we can go anywhere. This is going to be like it was in Georgia. We're going to be piled in. The snow is falling at 3 inches per hour. That's pretty fast. 3 inches per hour, every hour. 3 inches of snow. Crap. I messed my camera up. So, bye.